Hi, this is my review for the PS4 White DualShock controller. This is the front and the back of the controller, the sides of the top, the L1, R1, L2, R2 buttons. This button you can use. It lights up on the side when you turn it on. So these are this is the D-pad. These are the buttons, and then this is to move around in different games it can be used. And then this button is to turn on the PlayStation. It's Bluetooth, it's wireless. So this wire is just to charge it. So it's a great controller. I just recommend do not drop it because it can break or just crack open. Mine opened up a little bit by dropping it around here. So just be careful with it. It isn't like a super sturdy controller. It's a little, it's plastic, so it's not, it's not super great quality in terms of its durability. This is the start button, and this is the options button. You can also use this to share. When you press this button, you can take a screenshot or a video of what you've been playing in the game, and then you can share that on social media or just on the PS4 activities section. So it's a wonderful controller. I really like the white color, and it's very comfortable to play. So definitely recommend if you have a PS4, picking this one up. And yeah, that's my review for the PS4 DualShock controller.